In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write a LinkedIn article in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to share your industry insights, establish your professional brand, or engage with your LinkedIn network in a meaningful way, publishing an article on LinkedIn is a fantastic avenue to consider. Let's dive right into the process. First off, you'll want to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you can sign in using your Google account for convenience, or you can continue with your existing LinkedIn account. You might encounter a CAPTCHA at this point. This is just a security measure to ensure that you're really you. Now, once you're all signed in and ready to go, direct your attention towards the Write Article option, which you'll find conveniently located right next to the Event button. This is your gateway to begin crafting your piece. Now you're at the heart of the creative process. You'll find yourself on a page where you can type in your subject and the body of your article. This is where you let your ideas flow. Consider what message you want to convey to your audience, what insights you want to share, or what story you want to tell. Remember, a compelling headline and an engaging introduction are key to drawing readers into your article. After you've poured your thoughts and expertise into your article, it's time to move forward. Simply click on the Next button. This step is fairly straightforward but crucial as it takes you closer to sharing your insights with the world. Lastly, when you're satisfied with your masterpiece, all that's left to do is hit Publish. Congratulations, you've just shared your professional insights with your network and beyond. I hope you found this guide useful. Remember, the key to a great LinkedIn article lies in sharing genuine insights, experiences, and knowledge that can benefit your audience. Whether you're writing about trends in your industry, career advice, or personal growth, your unique perspective is what will resonate with readers. Happy writing!